we are constructing a biodigester, take you through the process of constructing the digester.
The process began with precise excavation according to structural and capacity requirements. The biodigester tank for this project has been designed to accommodate 1,000 liters of waste when full.
You have already dug and you have already made the place where the biodigester will be fitted.
We settled on constructing a modern biodigester septic tank because it's an efficient and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional septic systems.
Here where I'm standing, we have the toilet, an outside toilet, and a bathroom.
We carried out a percolation test to determine the soil's absorption capacity. A test pit was excavated to the required depth of 300 millimeters. It was filled with water and left overnight. The following morning, it was again filled with water and monitored every 30 minutes to measure the rate at which the water infiltrates the soil. Our recorded percolation test was 9 minutes per millimeter, indicating good drainage capacity and suitable ground conditions for our biodigester system. Then cast a reinforced concrete base slab to ensure long-term durability and prevent ground movement. The walls were constructed using high-strength iron bars and properly sealed to eliminate leakages. We carefully place clean hardcore stones into the soak pit. These stones create void spaces that allow filtered water to percolate gradually into the surrounding soil while preventing soil collapse into the pit. We installed the inlet and outlet piping at the correct gradient to ensure smooth waste flow. Finally, the tank was covered with reinforced concrete slab designed for safety, strength, and accessibility for maintenance. A black polythene membrane was then installed over the stone layer before backfilling. After inspection and water tightness testing, we backfilled and compacted the soil, restoring the site neatly and safely. This biodigester system will serve the home efficiently for many years with minimal maintenance, providing a clean, reliable sanitation solution.